everyone. We are parents of Jasraj Singh and we are here for the graduation ceremony of our son. So it's been a really great journey with PJK. We have been associated with this preschool for 3 years and the experience has been really immense, very pleasurable. This was like a second home to our child, and the teachers and the overall ancillary staff has been really, really great, and they cooperate very well with the parents. Regarding the development, a child has developed in really all aspects of his toddlerhood. I must say. So it was really good to be associated with the Poda Jumbo Kids for like 3 years. We started over here in COVID. We also attended like online school over here. So the experience of having a child during online was also very good. Um the teachers were very much proactive, and they were very helpful with us. So finally we are here for the graduation ceremony. We are a little bit emotional, and also would like to say to Nehal ma'am that please, it's a need of an hour to elaborate the school till the 10th grade. Thank you so much.
So I would just like to say that it's been really a great experience wherein we have seen a child growth, and it's really helpful for each parents over here, the teachers and the non-teaching staff. They took really great care of our child. So we've been lucky having admission for our child in this school, and all the best to PJK team for future.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much, Nehal ma'am, and the entire staff of PJK.
We are going to miss you.
All the best.
We have had a very amazing experience with Podar Jumbo Kids. I think this has been like a second home for my child, Samar, because he has not just been in the school since nursery. He's also, was part of the daycare for 6 months during this period. And the kind of atmosphere, the teachers and all Didis, how everybody together provides for the children here is amazing. And I think the school has set the bar so high that, we think it's difficult to experience that anywhere else. So overall, I mean, I'm glad that I made the decision to put my admit my son in Podar Jumbo Kids 3 years back. Thank you.
First of all, we are very thankful to Team Podar Jumbo Kids for making us a kid what he is today. Our journey actually started 2 years back when we shifted to Mumbai from Gujarat. And it was a difficult phase for us. It was post-COVID and school just reopened for everybody. And for us, it opened for the first time. Our kid has never been to, play group or online classes or anything. So we were very worried, will he be able to cope up this new world of schooling? And then we met Nirmala madam. Actually, I admire her so much. The way she carries herself and the way she speaks and everything. So she counseled us so well. She guided us actually. And she actually assured us, you don't worry, you just send your kid. It is our responsibility to look after his development. And so Nehal madam counseled us the way, like it was amazing. And then we joined this institute. Initially, actually, we faced difficulties. Our kid was never sitting at one place. He was actually not actually little, he was very much hyperactive, non-attentive and all. But then Raman teacher was his first teacher. Khushali madam was there for ladder group, and then Raman teacher. She took so good care, and within like a month or two, he started paying attention to things. He started sitting at one place. And actually he started enjoying this schools and everything. And this year Dhara madam and Reena madam, they did a commendable job on my kid. So my kid actually started enjoying this schooling. Every morning he'll get up with excitement. I have to go to school. Then he'll wait for his van. He'll be here with his friends. He'll enjoy this time being with his friends. And coming back home, he will be so, full of knowledge, and he'll enlighten both of us with that knowledge of, earth, planets, reptiles, seasons, and then how clouds are formed. And then he started telling us the whole thing. which I was worried that my kid is not speaking, he's not talking, and he started doing all this. So see, as a parent, I know everybody feels like our kid should be a scholar, he should be a top ranker, he should be an all-rounder, and so we are among those parents. But over these 2 years, I have realized every kid is different, and so mine kid is like he'll grow at his own pace. He will learn at his own pace, and it is okay. Might be my kid cannot recite a poem. Might be he won't be able to tell stories like other kid, but that is absolutely okay with us, because what is most important in life is he is getting up in the morning and he happily goes to school. Enjoying this part of learning is the most important thing. Whatever it may be, like he is ready to face his future and that he is doing happily. That is what is most important part for us as parents. And this is all because of Team Poddar Jumbo Kids. The teacher puts their endless efforts in this, and they'll do this day and night. They will give a personal touch to kids. Like the Hara teacher has treated my kid as her own kid. She will always love him. मैं जब भी उनसे मिलती हूँ देखती हूँ वो मेरे बच्चे का सिर्फ पप्पी लेती रहती है अध्ययन आ गया अध्ययन आ गया. So see this, like sending your kid to a place where people love your kid. So it is such a relief that you are sending him to a better place. And my kid has molded so well. He has become a bit intelligent. And see, he is sitting at one place. This is an achievement for me. So my heartfelt thank you, madam. We both are so thankful to the whole team, to Nirmala madam and everybody. You have done a commendable job for our kid. Thank you very much.
So thank you to all the teachers who have been a guiding hand for my child, and I can see that there is a lot of development in terms of his social and the emotional skills that he have developed over a period of last 2 years. And also I would like to say that all the credit goes to the team Poddar and the Jumbo Kids and to all the teachers. That was thank you.
So it's really happy moment for us. And so if you start our story, it is like our story is quite different. So basically we came from Chennai, and during the time it is like we were skeptical whether our kid will be able to manage this kid's life and everything. So what I'm really happy about this entire Poddar Jumbo Kids is thanks for developing an inclusive culture, right? So yeah, really kudos to the entire faculties and the management for developing that inclusive culture, because our day one we were worried about whether our kids were able to mingle with other kids because of the language barrier. In not even a single day my kid told that I'm not willing to go to school. Even Saturday, Sunday she used to ask me that whether I want to go to school or not, right? So that's the level of inclusion the Poddar Jumbo Kids has demonstrated, and I'm really become a fan of this school because it is like why you always used to say that why they don't have first standard, second standard, third standard as well. Now it is difficult for us to find some other school in the next levels, right? So really thankful, ma'am. And during my earlier days as well, I was more worried. It is like why I didn't get a school like this, because during my kids, during the time as well, we don't have this kind of inclusion culture, right? And consider city like Mumbai, where it is 100% metropolitan, where people from across cities and across states, they are making their kids to get educated. And really thankful for the entire management for that. And also love all the kids, the way in which you have taken for each and every kids, attention to detail, right? Every kid is different and they have unique capabilities. And thank you very much for that support. And Poddar Jumbo Kids will always in our heart, right? Irrespective of wherever we go across the world. And thanks everyone, even my office and everyone, I have recommended the school for its uniqueness, and they are also super duper happy. So thanks a lot, and my best wishes to take this brand to the next level. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
My journey with Poddar Jumbo Kids was very small. It was just for a tenure of 1 year. But the changes what I have seen in Avika, growing, becoming confident, and speaking with confidence and speaking clearly is because of Pudar Jumbo Kids. Thank you, teachers, so much for so much of efforts you take to groom them, and I really appreciate. And I think the comfortable environment what we get here, I'm little bit skeptical now that will we get it in a different school. Though they have to move forward. Yes, it's a change.
We have prepared them for that also.
Yes, yes, but we will really miss this atmosphere because I in the my previous experience, she used to nag to go to school, but here she's always ready to go to school. That's the difference what I'm doing, and I'm sure the amount of care you people give them is tremendous. Thank you, everyone.
Nice, being a part of this school because they have really supported us, and not in terms of the education but in the terms of personal support also. They have been always, been very caring and supportive. So thank you so much. I mean, the confidence now, what Adya is having, she don't used to speak also in the initially. So thanks to all the teachers and to Dhara ma'am, to Riddhi ma'am, Nirmala ma'am, they all are really very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Morning everyone. We have here a great combination of daycare plus best school. Dhanishta will continue next year in daycare, so she will not miss her teachers. And also this location is very nearby to us. So if we she move here from another school, she also going to visit school regularly. Thank you.
Everyone, I wholeheartedly I want to thank you Pudar Jumbo Kids staff, okay, for supporting me to what my child is now, and she has grown like from just struggling to say ABCD, and now seeing her performing on the stage, like she did each and every words was so clear and loud. So I was very overwhelmed that day. And thank you, if it comes to foundation, thank you to Raman ma'am for making her comfortable that she can love to come to school. And then in her like education progress, thank you to Dhara ma'am and Reena ma'am. And now I can say that she is a good learner and she is prepared to be a student now. So thank you for everything.
गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा बात करने का। तो एक्चुअली क्या है, स्टार्टिंग में उसको कुछ बात करने का नहीं आता था। टीचर्स लोग इतना सपोर्ट किया, अभी क्या बोलेगा मेरे को तो टीचर फर्स्ट मैडम एक्चुअल नाम भी मेरे को मैं कभी पूछा नहीं टीचर लोग का क्या पढ़ाई कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है। मैं इतना ही पूछता हूँ, बेटा तेरा दोस्त लोग बराबर दोस्त लोग के साथ में बराबर रहो, दोस्त लोग को बनाओ और वो रिस्पेक्ट देना, कैसे बात करना है, क्या शेयरिंग करना है। एजुकेशन तो ऊपर नीचे होता ही रहता है, वो कोई टेंशन। अभी तो उतना छोटा बच्चा है, हाँ, उसका मेरा एजुकेशन का टेंशन नहीं है। सिर्फ मेरे को स्टार्टिंग से लेकर 2 साल हो गया, कभी आज तक कभी बोला नहीं है कि मैं स्कूल में नहीं जाता हूँ, नथिंग। और फटाफट तैयार होना, स्कूल करेक्ट टाइम से आना, टीचर लोग से भी कोऑपरेशन बहुत अच्छा है। और टीचर लोग साथ में खाना पीना का सबको शेयरिंग करने के लिए वो आदत किया है। मेन क्या शेयरिंग करने अगर सिखा देगा ना, आगे जाकर वो हेल्प करेगा, किसी को हेल्प करेगा। बस वो सिखाना ज़रूरी है, बच्चे लोग को हेल्प करने का सिखाना है। बात ये है, वो कोई भी किधर भी रहो, सबका साथ में अच्छे से रह के, बेटा तेरे पास जो है, मैं बोलता था 2 इडली नहीं ना, 2 मैं बोला 3 इडली रखो, मेरा वाइफ को बोलता 3 इडली रखो, 2 नहीं 3 रखना है। अगर खाना है तो तू 2 खाओ और 1 तो कंपलसरी शेयरिंग करना ही है। मैं यही बोलता हूँ। मैं एजुकेशन कभी नहीं, मैं भी बहुत कम पढ़ा हूँ। एक्चुअल मेरा बिजनेस छोटा बिजनेस है, सबको मालूम है। मेरा क्लाइंट लोग बहुत बड़ा लोग बैठा है, बहुत बड़ा क्लाइंट लोग है मेरे भी शर्म आता है सारे लोग के सामने। तो यही है, थैंक यू टीचर लोग, स्कूल का बहुत धन्यवाद है। और ये स्कूल का ब्रांचेस है ना, बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए। सब लोग को मैं ये प्रार्थना करना चाहिए कि स्कूल मैडम लोग को बहुत आगे जाना चाहिए, स्कूल और आगे जाना चाहिए। ओके मैडम।
Hi everyone. So today I guess it's the last speech that I'll be giving over here. So I'm literally full of words, but obviously lack of time is there. सबसे पहले I'll start my speech with there is one thing I have made Denisa learn so many mantras, so many bhajan and everything. बट सिर्फ एक मंत्र ऐसा था जिसका डिनीसा ने मुझे पूछा मामा व्हाट इज़ दिस बिकॉज शी पिक अप दैट वर्ड गुरु एंड दैट वाज द ओनली मंत्र जो उसने उसी दिन सीख लिया जिस दिन आई वाज अटरिंग एंड दैट इज शी विल टेल यू हर सेल्फ बोलो गुरु वंदना जोर से बोलो जोर से हाँ बोलो वेरी बोलो
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Very good. So Denisa, what is the crux of this? What is the crux of this? What is the crux? What is the explanation for this? Little explanation. One liner. Gurus are? Yes.
God.
Gurus are God. So this was the only thing I swear. Otherwise, I teach her Bhagavad Gita ke shlok or something. She takes a little bit of time for that. This was the only thing. So this is what else I can speak on कि एक बच्चा खुद से interest ले रहा है गुरु word में. So that this means obviously she has that impact on her mind कि हाँ कुछ गुरु है because she has loved this journey. And when we come out, like as a parent, I became a parent. The first thing that I can give my child is like the best in the world. So the best in the world starts from a school because when she was just 3, she was having a little family and few toys. That is it. The first thing that is the materialistic thing that we can offer to our child is the best school. And I think you people haven't succeeded. I have succeeded in making a right decision. You people have made me successful that me and my husband were capable of giving her the best in my capacity. Even out of our capacity, we try to do something for our child. But yes, thank you all that you have made my decision so good that yeah, these found कहते हैं ना जहाँ नींव खतरनाक बने ना जहाँ नींव स्ट्रांग हो वहाँ इमारत को कोई हटा ही नहीं सकता. आई एम नॉट लिटरली कंसर्न कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स का होता है शी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ शी इज़ हैज़ डेवलप्ड उसका अरोमा हैज़ ग्रोन शी इज़ नाउ अ गुड लाइक वेरी गुड इन एकेडमिक्स. मेरा तो जो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रियोरिटी था वो था द वर्ड सेफ्टी. और आई ट्रस्ट मी इसको वैन वाली आंटी को देने के बाद या डे केयर पे वहाँ पे स्टेप के पास छोड़ने के बाद आई नेवर बॉदर्ड. मैं बॉदर होती थी कि ये तंग तो ना कर रही हो इसको तंग का तो देर वॉज नो क्वेश्चन. एंड नेहल समबडी फ्रॉम योर टीम दैट डे इन आई थिंक कुशाली टीचर वेयर इज शी Yeah, Kushali teacher. She uttered so many words for Nehal ma'am. She's an enthusiast, she's the motivational speaker, she's such and such. But there was one word that really clicked my heart and that was she is the best relationship manager. And trust me Nehal ma'am, you have an art that you get into our heart. That is tremendous, that is commendable. This entity of yours makes you distinct. See, दिस स्कूल एवरीथिंग इज़ अ बिजनेस मेकिंग प्रोसेस. बट कहा जाता है जब तिजारत और मोहब्बत मिल जाए ना तो कुछ और ही दुनिया बनती है जो आपने बनाई है यहाँ पे. ये जो मेरे सामने खड़े हैं ना I don't call them teachers, I don't call them your faculty, I don't call them your staff. These are magicians for me. मेरी दुनिया सिर्फ ये है और मेरी दुनिया रोते हुए घर से निकलती थी और हंसते हुए घर आती थी. तो इससे ज़्यादा जादू मुझे कहाँ मिलेगा. So I'm literally, I know there are so many parents they're fed up, but I have so many things. I think I'll text you. So there are 2 dream girls for my child. One is this Mega ma'am. I really appreciate it. One is Riddhi ma'am. What you have done to my child is a pain for me. It's not a boon, it's a pain for me. Because किसी ने उस दिन भी बोला था you have set such a benchmark, your teachers have set such a benchmark कि मैं अब जब जा रही हूँ ना किसी स्कूल में, whether it's a very big school in Mumbai or something, but always deep in my heart I'll miss her warm hugs with you, like with your staff and everything. मैं सोचती हूँ वो कैसी एडजस्ट होगी, वो कोप अप कैसे होगी. और मेरे को खुद की चिंता है how will I be, like I was very carefree at my office. You were just a call away. In an auto you gave me a video call कि करो. This capability and this virtue of yours is distinct. Trust me. So there are no words for you to describe, no words for your staff. And Nirmala ma'am, let me tell you one thing. You're the only one person in this whole world जिससे Denisa डरती है. So I really love you.
कुछ भी करवाना हो ना इससे, कोई भी अच्छा काम, इट इज जस्ट कि निर्मला मैम को बोलूँगी. सो fabulous, fantastic. Let's cheer for our kids कि हमने तो 21 graduation की and they are taking 55. So this is such a tremendous.
Life is not about learning, read and write. It's about love and friendship. So these are the foundation years, and you have made the foundation strong. So I think we are tension free. Whatever she will do in her life will be awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Just in short words, like all the parents, they are saying over here is like, जैसे नींव strong हो, base strong हो, so the child is ready to face the world. This is what we have been, already said to the team over here, that it is really need of an hour to grow the school till the 10th grade. So we request Nehal ma'am and the staff to please do these things for us. Maybe in secondary our child goes, if the school grows till secondary, we'll put our child again in the same school. But really we want the school to grow, and thank you to all the staff over here, Dhara ma'am, Reena ma'am, Raman teacher. Thank you so much for taking care of our child. Thank you so much.
It's like we are also emotionally touched. So I really don't want to opt other school, because I have been saying Nehal ma'am from when we put our child in senior KG, that it would be great if you can go till secondary, and it is going to be helpful. So every teacher had a bond with each child, and it really made me and like every parent an emotional. So there are no words to like how we are feeling and how emotional we are, like leaving Podar. I don't know what to say more, but I am really like maybe sad as well and happy as well. But yes, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
सीनियर केजी से ही स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन अभी मुझे सब ये एक्सपीरियंस सुनने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने पीजी से क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट किया. लेकिन ठीक है, 1 साल ही सही, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा गया. और स्पेशली जो इवेंट्स थे उसमें जो उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया और एंजॉय किया वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. स्पेशली जो स्पोर्ट्स डे था और जो परसों हम लोग ने किया एनुअल डे, बहुत अच्छा था. जो एक्सपीरियंस जो हम लोग को मिला उसमें, उसने जो स्पीच दिया, हम लोग ने जो डांस किया साथ में, बहुत ही अच्छा था. और बाकी जो दिन मैं वैन दीदी के साथ इसको हैंड ओवर करती थी और उसके बाद में मतलब छोड़ ही देती थी उसको, डायरेक्टली वैन के दीदी के साथ ही उसको लेके जाके घर पे लेके आती थी. मेरे को मतलब कुछ स्ट्रेस ही नहीं था कि बाद में क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. बस मैसेज आता था, मैं पढ़ लेती थी और फिर उसको वो रिवीजन करवाती थी बस. बाकी मुझे कुछ टेंशन ही नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. वैसा एक्सपीरियंस मुझे पहले नहीं था. तो अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. मैं ऑब्वियसली रिकमेंड करूँगी ये, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. थैंक यू ऑल टीचर्स.
बहुत वेरी हैप्पी फॉर आवर चाइल्ड. सिंस कोविड के बाद हम सोच रहे थे कहाँ डालना है, वो एडजस्ट हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, ईच एंड एवरी कंडीशन. फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल टीचर वाज रमन टीचर. थैंक यू मैम. और लास्ट नाइट हमारी बात हो रही थी कि ये न्यू स्कूल में जाएगा, तो बोल रहा था हमें वहाँ मैम चाहिए, रीना मैम और दारा मैम. तो मैंने बोला वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है. बोलता नहीं, मुझे फिर सीनियर केजी में जाना है, मुझे फिर से यही टीचर्स चाहिए. तो बोला होप सो पॉसिबल हो सका ऐसा कुछ, तो देखें. थैंक यू पोदार जम्बू किड्स.
I would like to thank all the teachers from Podar Jammu Kids, especially Megha madam. Kavya is studying here from last 2 years. She has been part of junior KG as well as now senior KG. She is always interested to come to the school. There wasn't a single day wherein she said that she is not interested to go to school. Yeah, so I think we have seen the positive development. And she has been very enthusiastic. She has become very confident. Okay. So thanks to all the teachers. Thanks to Megha madam. Yeah, I think we really enjoyed this company.
Personal connection with us.
Yeah. So it has been a great association with all of it. Yes. And we will continue to cherish all these memories. It was a great association. Thank you all the teachers.
thank you for the occasion and the event, and it was a great productive year for our child. And like the uncle said, it's not about the academics for us. It was more of an experience, and we wanted to have the child get familiar with some of the things which he was not able to get from other institution previously. So I would say we have been successful, and thanks to the teacher at Podar, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff. Uh, Thank you for that, and apologies that we were on and off for the year because his therapy was going on. Plus, we were also working on some of the religious things, dua and dawa both. And so it was a really, I would say, success. We were successful in that team-wise because in school we were seeing the efforts, and in non-schooling we were putting the efforts. So in both ways, it was a teamwork, and it was a great experience. And thank you for everything. And yeah, so from my end, it was a productive year, and I would say the experience has been enriching, and the child will have a better future from here, I would say. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I would like to thank all the teachers from the bottom of my heart. You have molded Aradhya in such a wonderful human being, and I think she's prepared for her next journey. I like the environment here, and she is so happy after returning from school. When she returns home, she is so happy. So thank you all the teachers, Mahesh Bhau and all Didis. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. See, Rishik is with the Jumbo Podar kids from last 2 years, and in those last 2 years, we never felt that our child is doing something wrong. We always felt that our child are in safe hands, and because of this, we were able to concentrate on our work in the office, and we as a parents we always feel that especially the mother, she always feel that in their back of her mind that what is my child is doing, what is my son is doing, whether he feels safe, whether the teachers are feeding on time, what is his education and all. So all this stress is taken by these faculties and all the staff. So we are very much happy, and the love, the affection, the caring what they showed to my child and to all the kids. So we are very much blessed, and we thank you so much, and special thanks to Bhau because many of the times we called Bhau that Bhau ये कुछ काम हम लोग help है ये तो. So Bhau never told us that ये मेरा काम नहीं है. So Bhau always helped us. So special thanks to Bhau, to all the names, the faculty. Sorry, I don't know the names because she only know the names. So thank you so much.
And I think we make memories in schools which remain with us for rest of our life. I have most of my best memories from my school days, and I just feel like I am living another school life with my son over here. I have attended all the functions, all the Father's Day functions, the pool party, all the games which happen over here, and it was like I just wish that my child also remains all these memories when he go to the higher school or to the college. I just want to thank all the teachers, young men especially. Even if I have 5% of your memory capacity, I think I will do very good in my life. Remembering name of 300 kids for this year, I think, and their parents, it's a remarkable job. And yeah, just thank you everyone. Thanks.
The other day and also outside, I think one thing, obviously the way Nehal ma'am maintains relationships, and the way she speaks with the parents. I mean, I remember 3 years back when I had come here, not the other school, and that's the time when we were deciding which kindergarten school. I was sure that I want to put my son in a kindergarten school only, not a formal school. So I checked a couple of them that time, and I think in 10-15 minutes when I spoke with Nehal ma'am, I made my decision. And I mean, the way she spoke, she just takes you into confidence that, you know, this is the best place for your child. And in hindsight, I can say that, you know, I mean, all that was, I mean, whatever has happened over the last 3 years in terms of the memories we have had, the events, the discussions, the conversations, I think this was not what I had expected 3 years back. So this has basically surpassed my expectations as well. And whenever I'd messaged Nehal ma'am and all the teachers, Dhara ma'am and Raman ma'am last year, everybody, they just respond instantaneously. And even I remember calling Nehal ma'am, you know, messaging her if I can talk to her at 9:30, 10 in the night, and she's been kind enough, yes, call me right away. So I don't think, I mean, and I recently attended the orientation of the new school that my son is gonna, and I could see the difference. I could, you know, while you said that kids are prepared, I don't think we as parents are prepared. So
the kind of development we have seen in our child, and he kind of become teacher at home only.
Yeah, he teaches
And
us like the way he teaches instruct us in a similar manner, put a blackboard and would ask us to, you know, yeah.
I literally feel sorry for other kids in our society who are not coming to Podar Jumbo Kids.
Actually, he on our floor, there's another kid who goes to, I mean, there's a kid who goes to another school, similar age. He actually comes in the evening and he actually teaches him. Whatever he's you know, learned in the school, he actually makes him sit and, you know, teach him. So I think commendable. I mean, I have no.
Journey with Podar is really special because we have started from Gujarat when he was attending online schools for nursery, and then we came here and actually we started from junior KG, but 2 weeks he was with Kushali ma'am, and मुझे लगता है कि उसे ज़्यादा कुशली मैम के अंडर कुछ गाइडेंस मिलता था, नर्सरी का भी तो बहुत अच्छा होता था. नेक्स्ट टीचर वाज रिद्धि मैम, and senior KG के half session खत्म होने तक when anyone used to ask you who is your favorite teacher, and you used to instantly say it is Riddhi ma'am only. And he only attended 2 weeks under the guidance of Kushali ma'am, but still I thought कि नर्सरी में भी अगर वो कुशली मैम के अंडर ही होता तो और कुछ अलग गाइडेंस मिलता था उससे. And this is his last day of senior KG, and I think हम लोग पोदार से नहीं हटेंगे. We would add him to activities, the extra activities which Podar is arranging. So उस बहाने से वो connected रहे पोदार से. And बस और thank you.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब टीचर्स को थैंक्स, और यहाँ पर रिद्धि मैम का स्पेशल थैंक्स, बरा मैम का स्पेशल थैंक्स. उन्होंने मेरे बच्चे के लिए जो किया है वो सच्ची में. स्कूल्स पैसे बनाने का ज़रिया है, दैट वी नो, बट जो पेरेंट्स हम लोग जो चाहते हैं कि बच्चों को प्यार मिले, प्यार मिलना या फिर प्यार की कीमत तो कोई है नहीं. जो बच्चों को यहाँ पर मिल रहा है वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. आई एम श्योर कि जैसे स्कूल्स बढ़ेंगे, काउंट्स बढ़ेंगे, यहाँ पर इंडिविजुअल पर्सनल अटेंशन मिलता है. स्पेशली नेहल मैम पता नहीं कैसे कौन से हवा से सब बच्चों का हर एक चीज़ पता होता है कि हाँ अभी रुद्रांश का ये चल रहा है, ये सेक्शन में वो चल रहा है, अभी हाँ उसका ये इवेंट आएगा तो आपको रेडी रहना है. सो इतना प्री प्लानिंग, इतना परफेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ प्लान, इतना अच्छा मैनेजमेंट. एक्चुअली ये जो टीचिंग स्टाफ है टोटल और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ इतने अच्छे तरीके से बंधा हुआ, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, छोटा है बट इतना बेहतरीन है कि इसका कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आगे फ्यूचर में भी यही पूरा स्कूल और आगे बढ़े, इवन प्री कम से कम 4th स्टैंडर्ड तक कंटिन्यू हो. ये मैं नेहल मैम को भी बोल चुका था. इवन फंडिंग वाली चीज़ें भी हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं वो भी चीज़ हो सकता है. बट हाँ, जो सपोर्ट, जो प्यार, जो अफेक्शन मिला है मुझे, हमारे लिए, इवन हमारे बच्चे के लिए, सो वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू नेहल मैम, टू स्टाफ, एंड इवन इसका एक ग्रुप बना है, गैंग बना है, पता नहीं अब सबको पता है कि गैंग बना है इन लोगों ने अच्छे खासे। मतलब जब भी कुछ होना है तो ये फिक्स अपने कॉर्नर में 4 लोग, अंश, ये जसराज, इनका गैंग बना है। और फिर धरा मैम उनको तोड़ेंगी कि नहीं यू डोंट हैव टू गो देयर, फिर अलग अलग रखना है। तो बहुत मस्ती। Thank you. So thanks for creating an environment for us. Thanks for giving us. पोद्दार से तो हम लोग पहले से ही जुड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि इनकी प्रिंसिपल्स और आइडियोलॉजी बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, पहले से जानते हैं हम। मैं पोद्दार स्कूल में ही डालने वाला था, बट बाय वर्च्यू की बहुत दूर है यहाँ से, थाना भी दूर है यहाँ से, सो वी ऑप्टेड नियर बाय स्कूल बट ये भी, एंड वी आर हैप्पी। नेहल मैम ने उस पर भी हेल्प की, कौन सी स्कूल्स अच्छी है क्या नहीं, वहाँ पर कौन सी टीचर्स अच्छी हैं, क्या पढ़ा रही है, पता नहीं क्या FBI, CSI, कौन से एजेंट्स है उनके पास, पता नहीं, सब इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, सब इंफॉर्मेशन। सो थैंक यू एंड आई विश अ ग्रेट सक्सेस फॉर all the Poddars and all the students who are the part of Rudransh's life journey. So thank you all.
I am with the Poddar Jumbo Kids since last 3 years almost. Prior to school, my son in nursery, daycare में था. I have started my journey with his daycare. The very first day when I came here, as Rudransh mom said, even I also took a gap of 4 years after his birth, and post COVID I thought to again join back. Again वही डर था, कैसे करना है, रहेगा नहीं रहेगा पता नहीं, कैसे वहाँ पर खाएगा, बिकॉज उसका एक हैबिट था, he was not eating anything, कुछ खाता ही नहीं था. I got that confidence when I came in Poddar, especially met with the Nehal madam. She said, you don't worry, you just keep him, आप रखो, आप बिंदास जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक पहले 8 दिन I used to get a call कि आज कुछ खाता नहीं है, he is not eating anything, and they all are like behind, running behind him. Even Nirmala ma'am खुद उसको फीड कराते थे क्लास में, नहीं खा रहा है, बट आफ्टर 15 डेज वो कॉल सब बंद हो गए. इवन मैंने भी कभी कॉल करके पूछा नहीं बाद में कि वो खा रहा है नहीं खा रहा है. ही हैज स्टार्टेड हिज जर्नी विद द पोद्दार जंबो किड्स ऐसे, देन नर्सरी, जूनियर KG, सीनियर KG, एजुकेशन ये वो तो सब होता रहेगा. मतलब वी ऑल आर लाइक स्टडिंग, हम लोग करते हैं, हर स्कूल में वही होता है. यहाँ पर कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस है, वो ऐसा कि जैसे ऑल टाइम फेवरेट डांस की, सॉरी धारा मैडम, बट ऑल टाइम फेवरेट रिद्धि टीचर अभी भी ही इज रिस्पेक्टिंग ईच एंड एवरीवन. वन ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स सेड कि जैसे एक डर है निर्मला मैडम का, अगेन सेम अंश का भी वैसे ही है, बट वो डर के साथ में ना एक अलग रिस्पेक्ट भी है कि निर्मला मैडम बोलती है नहीं करना है तो दैट वे ही इज लाइक नहीं करना है, एंड ही इज हैप्पी विद व्हाटएवर. अभी भी उसका ऑल टाइम बोले तो रिद्धि मैडम. लास्ट ईयर जूनियर KG में आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग अ लॉट विद हिज राइटिंग, इफ यू रिमेंबर. फर्स्ट हम लोग का क्या था, फर्स्ट ये था उसका, हाँ, दैट टाइम आई केम, ही वाज नॉट एबल टू राइट अ सिंगल लाइन ओनली, कुछ लिखता ही नहीं, दैट ग्रिपिंग स्किल ही नहीं हो पा रहा था उसको. मतलब मैंने मैडम को बोला, मैडम आप डू करो, बट उसको कुछ तो शी टोल्ड मी कि लेट हिम राइट व्हाटएवर ही इज राइटिंग, भले ही इज डूइंग सर्कल, सिंगल लाइन कर रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है. शी टोल्ड मी कि अलाउ हिम टू राइट एनीवेयर ही वांटेड टू राइट. यू रिमेंबर आई सेंड यू पिक्चर्स, हाँ, पिलो पे, देन वॉल, मेरे घर का पूरा पेंट, हर एक बेडरूम, हर एक हॉल, दोनों बेड, पूरे सब उसके ना ABCD अल्फाबेट से लिखे हुए थे. बट आई अलाउड हिम द वे टीचर सेड. आज यू कैन सी हिज राइटिंग एंड आई एम वेरी मच प्राउड ऑफ कि उसका राइटिंग बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. आई एम वेरी मच प्राउड. और दूसरी बात और एक है कि ये 3 साल के जर्नी में जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल उसमें आया है, वेरी फर्स्ट डे जब मैं आई थी ना, मेरा लड़का यहाँ खड़ा रहता था. व्हेनेवर आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन अ क्राउड, नो, ही यूज्ड टू स्टैंड बिहाइंड मी, एंड जैसे आओ नहीं आता था, डरता था, एक भी सिंगल फ्रेंड नहीं था, हर एक से बात करने के लिए डरता था. बट नाउ अभी वो मेरे आगे खड़ा है, इनफैक्ट वो भागता है. मुझे बोलना भी, मुझे बुलाना पड़ता है कि प्लीज कम बैक, बट वो आगे भागता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई गॉट इन पोद्दार जंबो किड्स, आई कैन से. बाकी सब स्कूल में सब होता है, सब डे होता है, बट इन पोदर मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे, annual day, this is the first time I have seen ki with I got the very मेरा ना एक special experience I can perform with my kid जहाँ पर मैंने किया, and I feel very proud of. Annual day हर स्कूल में होता है, हर kid पसंद करता है, but ये जो experience है ना, ये कुछ अलग ही है, and that is all because of thoughts of Poddar, and but obviously Nehal madam, she is not there right now, but उनका एक अलग ही bond है with her, and hats off to her. हर एक बच्चे का नाम उनको याद है, इंक्लूडिंग योर नर्सरी, प्राइमरी, जूनियर केजी, सीनियर केजी और डे केयर के भी, हर बच्चों का किसी का भी नाम बोलो ना उनके इसमें रहता है, तो हैट्स ऑफ टू हर. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि मतलब हैप्पीनेस तो है कि ही इज प्रमोटेड टू अभी फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड, उसका अलग जर्नी स्टार्ट होगा, बट एक सैड वाली फीलिंग भी है कि वी आर एक्चुअली लिविंग पोड्डर जम्बो, वी नीड टू. आई मीन अगर प्राइमरी होता तो वी कैन कंटिन्यू, लाइक वो मैडम को मैं बोलना चाहती अगर आप प्राइमरी सेक्शन चालू करो सो दैट ये कंटिन्यू होता था. व्हाट एल्स आई कैन से. थैंक यू पोड्डर जम्बो.
Good morning, everyone. This is Shirja's father, myself Krishna. ये बच्ची आपको याद है एनुअल डे के दिन जो स्पीच दे रही थी, she has become an anchor for me, anchor of her age. Okay, वो पुरानी लाइफ टाइम के बारे में बात कर रही थी. It was nostalgic, of course. हम लोग टीचर से डरते थे. That is what she had. Okay. And अभी जो है ना वो that has turned into something else. Okay, she used to love she loves to come over here, and it is kind of another home for her. So, and this is her next family. For now we can consider, of course. And I'm actually speechless, but I really try to. वो थोड़ा इमोशनल है, लेकिन whatever I have seen in her, जो भी है उसका जो ग्रोथ ग्राफ है ना, that is at टॉप लेवल एट द मोमेंट. ओके, अभी जो उसका एक तो वो एंकर तो हो गई है, एंड देन इट हैज़ बीन 3 years वी आर एसोसिएटेड विद पोद्दार्स. ओके, एंड देन वो ऑनलाइन वाला स्कूल, एंड देन नाउ इट हैज़ टर्न इनटू ऑफलाइन वाला. वो ऑनलाइन वाले से वो टीचिंग इज़ नॉट एन ईजी जॉब, क्योंकि हम लोग ने वो ट्राई किया है विद शी यूज्ड टू लर्न ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि जब भी वो ऑनलाइन था तो आई वॉज द टीचर फॉर हर, एंड वो it is very tough job. Hats off to you guys. Hats off to you. I remember Meenal ma'am, then Raman ma'am, and now Dhara ma'am and Reena ma'am. I know everything about you because she is the one who speaks about you guys, and you guys are doing very tremendous job. All the best for your future endeavor. And Nehal ma'am तो हैट्स ऑफ टू हर. वो आपने जैसे बोला वैसे उनको नाम तो सभी किड्स से पता है. वाओ, थैंक यू सो मच.
Our association with Poddar Jumbo Kids started in the year 2021, November 2021. There were a lot of transitions during her journey. Like when she was around 1 year old, COVID kicked in, and we had to move back to our hometown, which was in Kerala. And when we shifted back to Mumbai in November 2021, we had one big problem, was to gel up with the regional language. Like Hindi was not a primary language. We were vernacular like Malayalam. So that was the first difficulty which I had when we had to transition to Mumbai. And at that point of time, I had a lot of discussion with Nehal ma'am on how we should take it ahead. So the initial part we started with the daycare. And for 2-3 months it was a difficult time for her to understand the language and to get used to how things are, the environment as such. And even this setup was also new then. It was in the transition phase, this place. There was an older PKJP unit. So I felt like that environment at least is there. The teachers definitely will help in the migration, and the transition will be a good one. So initial few days she used to cry a lot. She was very tense, nervous. We used to have a lot of time there. I used to stand there with my spouse, and she used to cry. Half an hour, 45 minutes, we used to go in that way during the daycare. And then it settled down. Nehal ma'am said that, "Bhai, आप मत खड़े रहो वहाँ पर, आप चले जाओ. We'll take care of her." And later on, after months' time, she got used to the environment, and it was a good journey since then. Then junior KG kicked in. Raman teacher was there. She was also very cheerful. Like every day in the morning, she used to stand there. They used to have a different ceremonies as such, like a hugging ceremony or a toy ceremony. So these were all something, and having a very smiling face is something which makes the environment also start the day in a very cheerful manner. So that was her first year journey. Lots of events during this period of time of 2.5 years. She transitioned to senior KG, Dhara teacher, Reena teacher. They all molded her to a next level. The way she interacted during the role-playing model or during the annual day events or the sports day events, all were exceptional. Like, I never expected that she will come up in that way by the end of the 2.5 year journey. And I want to thank each and everyone who has been part of this particular transition. And also Nirmala ma'am, who used to give us the guidance during the PTA meetings that आपको भी करना है, आपको भी involvement रहना है. So I also want to thank my spouse who has taken extra effort. Like for example, during the role-playing model or for the annual day events, the way she was confident during the sessions and gave out all the sentence in a very fine manner. It is all because of the practice which has happened here at the center and also at home also. So that is one tip which I guess has been instrumental for her development till now. Her physical development and emotional development. That was one of the lines which she said during her Panchakosha meeting. And that is all, and I want to thank each and every one of you. Nehal ma'am, she's missing now, but however, her memory is exceptional. All the events which have happened through, we will all miss the Parents' Day, the Daddy's Day or the Mother's Day, Annual Day, Sports Day, all were exceptional. And all the teachers, I may have missed out people who have not been in a journey, but everyone has been truly emotional and connect. There has been a awesome connect in the journey, and I wish them all the success in the subsequent years also to come. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Good morning, everyone. I'm a mother of Shania Puchari. What to say? Firstly, I want to thank you, everyone, each one of you. The very first day when I thought to join this, I got to know from my cousin, one of my cousins. They said me that they took the admission. I was worried about that, what the school may be, what the teaching process and all. But very first day I got to know that she will settle. She impressed everyone, in fact, I know. And she loves here. She loves to come school. She made the gang. They have their friends gang, and she loves learning, teaching, everything. And lastly, the annual day, the concept, the anchoring concept, that was very brilliant. That we got to know that the confidence in our child, the development, the changes in our child, and the award every teacher has got with their tagline. That was the deserving everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it is very sad to say goodbye, but we have to. And we took the admission in GS Shetty, so it should not be so far. So we will meet. I will put her in the summer camp. We will keep in touch. Yeah, thank you so much.
So really thanks for the junior KG and CKG teacher, because I know very well for my son, because he's very naughty and even also he is very energetic student. You can't to sit under one place because he's very difficult, because he's roaming everywhere. I know him. Every time I will think about for the teachers and how he can manage for the school. So really a lot of improvement. It's in the last report I am very surprised, because he says that he's sitting in one place. He have to listening and every capable teacher. So I am also observed you have to mingle with all the students or these things. So I thank for your patience, and because very important thing that you have to carry on. So even though I'll thanks to Podar Jumbo Kit can grow and more well. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. Actually last year in this month we are just shifted from Indore, Madhya Pradesh to here, एंड आप किसी अनदर सिटी में अगर मूव करते हैं तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो होता है कि बच्चे के एजुकेशन का क्या होगा, कैसा स्कूल मिलेगा, क्या रहेगा। तो जब यहाँ पे हम नेहल मैम से इंटरेक्ट हुए और उन्होंने जो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया कि आप सेफ हैंड्स में अपने बच्चे को दे रहे हैं, आप इसकी चिंता ना करें, तो दैट वाज ग्रेट एंड थैंक्स टू पोद्दार टीम फॉर ऑल ऑफ एफर्ट्स एंड सपोर्ट।
Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay. I'm sure ये हमसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल मोमेंट टीचर्स के लिए भी है, क्योंकि हमारी बच्ची की जर्नी तो नर्सरी से है, नर्सरी, जूनियर केजी, सीनियर केजी, बट इन 3 सालों में जो टीचर्स ने सारे स्टूडेंट के साथ जो बॉन्डिंग बनाई रहेगी, उसके साथ में निकल के then again to adopt and train the new set of kids and again to bring to this level. I'm sure it's really tough for teachers as well, but हम भी ये moment miss करेंगे and honestly I'm sure बाकी सारे बच्चों की हमारी जर्नी तो कोविड से स्टार्ट हुई। जब हम पहले कंसल्टेशन के लिए आए स्नेहल मैडम को मिले, तो I was clueless, I was very normal, but as a combined, that's really a very important decision for every parent. First schooling कहाँ डालनी है and all. So we were really worried and very tense, क्या करना है। Then that lady really spoke well, very transparently, not only to promote as a Poddar, but it's like see, you have 1 2 3 4 option, okay, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है, आप यहाँ करोगे तो ये मिलेगा, ठीक है। It's kind of okay, it's good. We also interacted some other schools. Then it's more of preaching by their own, यहाँ पे ये मिलेगा, यहाँ पे ये रहेगा, but so somehow you disconnect. You said it's more of the telling about Mumia Mittu, अपनी बातें किए जा रहे हो। Again we met, then again she was very open and very transparent in terms of the whole atmosphere and how it will be. But the beginning थोड़ी online से start हुई, we were worried, we were requesting हमें camera feed दे दो, we really want to see क्या होना है, but they kept telling नहीं उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप मत इतना worry करो। Then we are really seeing the growth, we are really seeing the development, and I think भाइयों ने बताया वो bonding with kids has really come so good till here. अभी इन्हें नहीं पता चलेगा, मैं भी तो पजामा पार्टी करनी है, उसके बाद में जब उनको वो सारे friends नहीं मिलेंगे, then of course they are going to cry about and think about. So it's really emotional moment, not only for parents, for teacher, and I'm sure for kids also when they will realize. But ये मिलना बिछड़ना and friendship तो चलेगी. So it was a good part. It was a good part to select Poddar Jumbo Kids as a starting foundation option. So we are truly satisfied and it was really a great job. Thank you.
Yeah, I came here during for admission only and now for graduation. But whenever I came here, I feel like I am feeling with positive vibes because of their environment, because of this is a small child come here and all teachers' faces. They always fill with smiles, not like any tense or anything. जब भी अगर इधर आता हूँ तो ऐसे फील होता है कि नहीं इधर आने से अच्छा लगता है। सेम चीज़ें अगर हमें अगर ऐसा फील होता है कि इधर पॉजिटिव ये अगर वाइब्स मिलते हैं तो हमारे बच्चों के लिए भी वैसा ही है। नेहल मेरी बेटी, यानी कि नहीं कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है, नेहल मैम भी है, तो नेहल मेरी बेटी पहले मतलब उसने ज्वाइन बहुत ही लेट किया था, अक्टूबर के बाद उसने इधर ज्वाइन किया। उसका स्टडी में वो बहुत पीछे थी, लेकिन हर एक टीचर ने इतना उस पर एफर्ट्स लिया ड्यूरिंग हर जूनियर केजी टाइम, और उसकी वजह से उसने स्टडी में अच्छी तरह से ग्रो किया। उसको बहुत दिक्कतें आती थी राइटिंग में, स्पेलिंग्स लिखने में, उसके जो ये थे लैक्स थे उसमें उन्होंने बहुत कुछ एफर्ट्स लेके टीचर्स ने पे वर्कआउट करके उसको बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो किया। स्टडी में उसका भी बहुत अच्छा है। हम लोग बहुत तरह उसको पूरी तरह से सेटिस्फाई उसके इससे जल्दी से। ऐसे ही टीचर्स इधर के बाकी के बच्चों के लिए भी वही सेम ये पॉजिटिव ये रख के अगर ये करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है। और जो भी इसके लिए एफर्ट्स लिए उसके लिए थैंक यू।